2005, a huge township called Greater Faridabad or Neharpar emerges as a land of promise in NCR's long overshadowed suburb. With affordable prices and assurances of smooth connectivity with Delhi, Greater Faridabad became the middle-income home seekers' escape from Gurgaon and Noida's soaring property rates. But cut to 2012, Greater Faridabad is yet to put up a great show. Greater Faridabad, once considered as a promising real estate destination, has now turned into a story of neglect and failed promises. Thousands of home buyers still await possession of their homes, as 90% of the projects are yet to be delivered. Affordable housing dreams have now given way to allegations of cheating and fraud. Close to 50,000 buyers who've booked flats across the 75 residential projects here allege they have been unfairly denied possession of their homes by builders. External development like master roads, sewerage, electricity, water supply targeted under Master Plan 1991 has still not been executed even after over 20 years. Curiously though, developers have collected external development charges or EDC to the tune of 800 crores from buyers from 2006 to 2011.
बिल्डर्स तो देखिए अपना सारा वो हुड अथॉरिटीज़ पर डाल देते हैं। वो बोलते हैं कि अभी डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ है, यहाँ सीवर नहीं है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, हम आपको पोजीशन दे भी देंगे तो आप रहेंगे कैसे? यहाँ लिविंग कंडीशन इस लायक नहीं है कि आप रहें। हुडा के पास जाओ तो उनके पास अपने रीजन है, वो बोलते हैं कि बिल्डर ने पैसा नहीं जमा किया अभी।
But RTI queries show that not even a trickle of this has reached the Haryana Urban Development Authority.
देखिए, एक दो बिल्डर्स का तो मैं बिल्कुल, मेरे पास RTI की इन्फॉर्मेशंस हैं कि उन्होंने अभी तक 10% ही पैसा उसका दिया है और पिछले 6 साल से उसके बाद एक भी पैसा नहीं दिया।
It's a vicious cycle. If authorities don't receive EDC, they don't develop civic amenities. No EDC also means no occupancy certificate for the developers, without which possession cannot be given. The FNG Expressway connecting Faridabad, Noida, Ghaziabad was also this area's biggest USP. But with that link scrapped, buyers have begun regretting their investments here.
बिल्डर ने जो भी यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट्स बेचे वो FNG के नाम पर और कनेक्टिविटी बिटवीन साउथ दिल्ली, गुड़गांव एंड नोएडा, जो आज की मेरी फीलिंग है, इट्स लाइक ए LSD, लाई, स्कैम एंड धोखा. बेसिकली इट्स ए बिग प्रॉमिसेस एंड जीरो डिलीवरी.
So where did the Greater Faridabad growth story falter?
See, in the last 4 or 5 years since the recession took place, developers have always had a crunch for money. It's not easy raising funds per se. So for the scarce resources that developers have, they've deployed it more into projects expansion in Gurgaon rather than utilizing them to a large extent in project completion in Faridabad.
But the lack of political will to crack down on the errant is one of Faridabad's biggest challenges at present. The office of the Faridabad administrator has seen 5 transfers in 6 months. With no real estate watchdog and a government that's turned a blind eye, will the life savings of 50,000 buyers in Neharpar continue to be sucked in by private colonizers without their homes actually being delivered?